This is the road to the Ethel Harrold Trailhead waterfall hike. It's a nice drive out here. Country road, dirt road. Get up in the Boulder area, Boulder Rocks. Near Boulder, the city of Boulder too. And it's a little windy today. It's supposed to be about 76, 77 degrees, a little cooler than yesterday, but tomorrow and then Thursday, today is Tuesday. Thursday it's supposed to be 90 degrees in the Denver area. Are you kidding me? That's like a record. It was hot enough yesterday, 80 degrees. And you're closer to the sun, of course, you get hotter, burn faster. So I was feeling it after a couple big hikes yesterday.